राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे
राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे
राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे
राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे।
Radha राधारानी की जय। जय श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप गिरिराज मथुरा वृंदावन राधा कुंभ श्याम गंगा जी की जय, नामहट्ट की जय, सुरभि कुंज की जय, गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन की जय, सखी गोपाल की जय, लता गोपीनाथ की जय, जगन्नाथ बलभद्र सुभद्रा माई की जय, जय श्री सिंहदेव की जय, प्रहलाद महाराज की जय, जय सीधा मायापुर की जय, जय श्रीमन महाप्रभु की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव की जय, जय श्री श्रील प्रभुपाद जी की जय, जय श्री श्रील प्रभुपाद जी की जय, जय श्री श्रील प्रभुपाद जी की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल, और कोई शिष्य गुरु वंदेऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवम् साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखा नाम श्रेष्ठ मनुमपि सति पुत्रमत्र स्वरूपं रूपं तस्याग्रज मधुपुरी माधुरीं गोष्ठवाटिं राधाकुण्डं गिरिवरमहो राधिका माधवासां प्राप्तो यस्य प्रथितकृपया श्रीगुरुं तं नतोऽस्मि। आजानुलम्बित भुजौ कनकावदातौ संकीर्तनैकपितरौ कमलायताक्षौ विश्वम्भरौ द्विजवरौ जुगधर्मपालौ वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरौ करुणावतारौ। नमस्ते कालसत्याय जगन्नाथसुताय च सकृत्याय सपुत्राय सकलभक्ताय वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। We are very fortunate that we have assembled for hear the glories of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Understand? Gaurang Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu has come. Why come? Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu दया करो मोरे तुम्हा बिना के दयालु जगत संसारे. If we will search that the other one is staying, living Mahaprabhu, he is greater than Mahaprabhu. Dayalu, so kind. What is it? Dayalu man. Mahaprabhu gave now, but we have received in chanting. Daya ki. It was stayed before. Tuma bina ke doyalu. What is the meaning of doyalu? He gave you money. He give you food. Then what doyalu? Nathan Thakur said, I think. Tuma bina ke doyalu jagato sansare Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu daya করো মোরে নমো মহাবদান্যায় মহাবদান্য very kind hearted and he giving you what giving? Huh? What giving? Come, no problem, come. Oh, well, nothing, any dress you come. Hindu dress or Muslim dress, come. Mahaprabhu, Mahabharata prayer, now I am expressing. Huh? Don't worry. So, দানো কিনুয়া ভাবনা গো এই দেশে ভারত বর্ষে দানো কিনুয়া ভাবনা গো এই দেশে ভারত বর্ষে to give to other, it is not duty. দধি চিরদান নাহি গো সমান দধিচি, you know দধিচি ঋষি, that Indra and demons and demons were cast not by the nature they are demons. So they are fighting. The Vishnu told you go. The Dadhiti Ruchi, if will give his bones, then you will get victory. They will come and told to Dadhiti Ruchi, they will say, yes, now I am dying, you take it. You will give him. And the Mahabharata, no, why not to Dadhiti Ruchi? Ha! তোমার বিনা কে দয়ালু জগত সংসারে, এটা দধিচি কবি ভগবান। হ্যাঁ, Prabhu is not satisfied. What we are look what Nam not very nice name, Fakira Mohan. Understanding? So what is coming I am telling? Bali Maharaj came. Bambuji Bhagavan came. He told, you should give me 3 part bhumi. He gave. Sukracharya tell me, hey, be careful, be careful. Hey, Vishnu has come, he will take everything. So Paul is thinking, he is two feet each thing. 3 feet हुए ना कौन है? One is this Swarga and Martya. But I will give, no problem. You will give. One land if is staying, then quarrel is going on. It is my land, it is his land. Correct? Huh? And Bali Maharaj gave everything. So he is not a Mahabharata, no? Huh? Oh! What is it? First I will... The devotee will go, how should I will do? This first will do. That will finish. You see that king, he gave everything. His son, his wife, and he was everything giving, and he was watching the Clinton place, Samsan. Then his son is coming. He was dead. I am forgetting his name. He was coming. Vishwakshan, Karna, son of Vishwakshan, Vishnu went. He told, I am telling you should give something. Now what something? Now you should cut your son, Vishwakshan, and cook it, give me, I will take. You will give. You leave it, then tell. Dana. So, this is many types of dana is telling. Wealth, vidya, knowledge, we are giving. It is also one type of dana. So, Mahaprabhu, what gave? That is more than all done. That's why we are telling it is Mahavadana. And Narottam Thakur Maharaj is telling, Tuma bina ke doyalu jagata sansare Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Guru More Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu. That's it. So, I am chanting and came in mind Daya. What I will tell you, I have brought many books. तुम्हा बिना के दयालु जगत संसारे. Not only India, America, Russia, China, every, you see, Holland, Poland, England, tell them this one is more than Mahaprabhu. That Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami is telling. Anarpita charim chirat karunayavatin najah kalau samarpaitum unnata jalarasa subhakti sriyam Oi purata sundara duti kadamba sandipita Sara hridaya kandare spuratuva sachinandana. Krishna's Kaviraj. What telling? Are you read it? I am old person, you are young. Honor Pitachari. Third canto. Third chapter. Honor Pitacharim Chirat Karunayavatin Najah Kalau Samarpaitum Unatadjala Rasasyam Subhakti Syam Vai Purata Sundara Dutikandam Sandipita Sada Hridaya Kandare Spuratuva Sachinandana. Anarpita charim chirat. Nobody gave that thing to you. What not giving? Mahaprabhu was telling you chant. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram. Mahaprabhu gave him this. So Mahaprabhu is a Botani. What? What? Then Prabhu is telling, yes, it is good. And so Mahaprabhu once again, it took Brahma. Brahma told to Narada, perhaps, in Palisantana Upanishad. Brahma told Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So Mahaprabhu gave, what is the, I will bring your money and I will give. This is done. Huh? What I will earn, if I will give that, then that is called dana. I went and give him something, give him. Or you gave me something, you take, give to others. I gave. So you are giving or no, I am giving. Huh? The Brahma gave. Told Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Mahaprabhu gave that. That Brahma Dani, Mahaprabhu or Mahaprabhu?
Mahaprabhu.
Huh?
Mahaprabhu.
How? The Brahma first gave.
Brahma gave to highly qualified people. Mahaprabhu gave to everyone. So he is big done.
Okay. That is also one point. And who will tell other point? What is the other point? Huh? To Brahma who gave? Huh?
Krishna.
Krishna Bhagavan gave. Brahma. Onkar gave. That Onkar extension is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Brahmeti Paramatmeti Bhagavanmeti Sabdate. Onkar is Brahma Suchaka. And Lila Suchaka is Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So Mahaprabhu gave that mantra to Brahma, and Brahma when thinking how I will do this creation. First Brahma came. How came? Life after life. Brahma came that first seeds come or trees come. What first come? Seeds or trees?
Seeds.
Huh?
Seeds.
First Brahma created trees. It was staying in Garbhodakasai Vishnu's. He created. So that's why our Sripad Maharaj was always fighting light and light. Light from light. Not these chemicals it is coming. The chemical somebody is joining. So it is stated our Prabhu will get, but he is doing research.
You should help me to understand Sanskrit.
Yeah. Huh? He is telling how I will create. It is not possible. Then pralaya, then tapa. This word comes. Then Brahma started tapasya. Omkar come. The Omkar's extension is mantra. So, first Krishna told. That Krishna is Mahaprabhu. He is divine. One case I will dispose, then other case I will tell. Atma. Our old person, they will talk. If they will not talk, they cannot get pleasure. From 4 o'clock I am talking. प्रथमे लंका करब देन महामंत्र करब so Prabhu has come Lanka. I Prabhu told me where Ravan, where Ashokavana, what is I don't know. Understand? You should tell me. That is come. Now Mahamantra Prabhu is coming. So, though Brahma gave this mantra, that mantra you cannot chant taking kortal. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Huh? And Mahaprabhu gave Visa gave chant, no problem. Pap would not come. That mantra I have collected from Orissa. One Orissan tradition is saying that if you will not accept the Mahamantra in a year, then nobody will take water from your hand. It is staying on anywhere? No. That tradition means if you will take Harinam Mahamantra, that mantra who will give? Kulaguru. They are staying, they will give. One cloth will come, Gurudev, okay, he will give the mantra. You, mantra cannot chant, nobody will chant it. Understand? But Mahaprabhu told, now all should chant. Some special decrees. In summer vacation, in Dasahara, some special discount. Understand? When Mahaprabhu came, he told this college of people, they cannot chant. In specific in Western country, they are always working, always thinking that one day should be 48 hours. Understand? If one day will extend to 48 hours, still they cannot stay. They will again tell, like again 20. In this way, when 240 hours will, then they will be not satisfied. Of how they will chant. They cannot chant. So, Mahaprabhu told, no, you should chant. Without Guru, I am Guru. I am telling. जीव संपादित श्री चैतन्य मुखोदगीर ना हरे कृष्ण की वर्णका मज्जयंतं जगत प्रेमनि निमदन्तं तदा गया. Which name we are chanting? This is not coming from Brahma's mouth. Understand? When Mahaprabhu chanting, always Mahaprabhu was chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra loudly. So that now we are chanting. Someone telling what it is, hey, what you are doing? You have got initiation. I said, no, I have not got it. How you are chanting? Prabhu, if you are telling I have not got initiation, then you give me initiation. No, I am not bona fide. Are you are not bona fide, where I will go? Then why you are telling, why you are chanting in this way without Guru? I am telling you should be Guru. Now I am also thinking. That if you want another Guru will come, I will tell you, yes, more Guru I will get, I will be more benefited. No Prabhu. This Guru gave Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. You are only one Guru accepted. I have accepted 24 Gurus. I am benefited. Prabhu, understanding what I am telling? Not understanding? Understanding?
I tell it.
Huh?
Understand? No.
You tell.
Not there should be one Guru, not many Gurus.
Hmm?
You should have one Guru, Not many gurus.
Tell. Understanding? Huh? He is not understanding. No. Guru one should be accepted. But that I am telling you should give. No, I cannot Guru. Tell why you are telling me? Tell him.
Right? I'm telling.
If you will not give me initiation, who are you to tell this? Rupa Goswami Pada is telling, Sri Chaitanya Mukhad Girna, Hare Krishna Tivarnaka, Madjayanta Dagat Premni, Nimadantam Tadahya. I am giving the mantra to all. They should chant. It is very difficult to get bona fide Guru in Kali Yuga. All will tell I am bona fide, like market.
To find a guru in this.
Right? Very difficult. Is it not? Why you are going there? You sit there, sit. If you will go to take one sari dress, in that you will take. You cannot get any song except this song. Huh? Huh? So, Mahaprabhu knows that. Then he told all should chant with Kortal and Khol. That's no problem. Huh? If you will chant, well, one free, one concession you have got, that without Guru, without initiation, you will chant. Understanding? Acha. Kortal Khol. If the Muslims will come, they will allow to Kortal chant the Harinam. Huh? No. In Kirtan, only the Guru one concession you have got. Now coming. Who will come and chant? Kortal? That is, if one Muslim will come and will chant, you tell it, don't enter here. Can you tell? No. To do kirtan, all should come. The second concession. That's other key. Other what? If Guru is not telling, mantra will give result. Huh? Mantra, we should not chant loudly. One concession you have got. Second, all will come and do kirtan. Muslim nahi. I was always telling in Belgium, I don't worry, come. He may be Muslim, he may be, I don't know, fakir, Muslim. Yes, no problem. Huh? My name is fakir, I am Muslim. Understanding? So you should come. It is not stated that Muslim will not chant the mantra. That mantra, who will you not chant in publicly? Publicly, if you will not chant, that is mantra. And you are with giving land. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Mantra. The tantra. The tantra. Huh? Mahaprabhu told this, you are telling that Pandits are staying. When Sanskrit Pandit, they would complain. But they are coming. Some Christians, they are coming and hearing Harikatha and chanting. And now I saw one is Tulisimana also. Where? Huh? Acha. That all should chant, no problem. So if you will chant, तो Mahaprabhu giving Mahaprabhu Guru. Acha, Gurudev is giving you mantra. Understanding? Who is Guru? Who is Gurudev? Huh? He has come from Swarga. He is like it. Gurudev has 4 hands, not 2 hands. 4 years? No. 2 years. 4 eyes? No. 2 eyes. He is eating poisons? No. Why? If you will take poison, he will die. So, we will die. In which way Gurudev is declared? Huh? I don't know. Because Bhagavat is telling Acharya mang vidaniya navamanyeta karichit namatya buddhya asuyeta sarvadeva mayo guru. Understanding? I am one foolish person, don't know anything. So this question is coming to my mind. How can I suppress it? Acharya, you see, 3rd chapter. Acharya mang vidaniya navamanyeta karichit. Acharya mang vidaniya.
Bhagavatam also is in the
It is in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Everything in Chaitanya Charitamrita. We have started Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Karo More means everything I will tell from Chaitanya Charitamrita. Mantra is Mahaprabhu gave, there is no harm. If Bhagavata sloka in Chaitanya Charitamrita, I will accept the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Why Bhagavata I will bring here?
Acharya?
Acharya mang.
Mom. Vijaniyam, yes, 146.
Harm. I would read it, I would take some time rest. In my class, all are laughing in university. Acharya Man Vijaya.
Yeah.
Have got?
Hmm.
Very good.
Acharyama Mijaniya Navamanyeta Karhichit Na Matya Buddhaya
Buddhya Asuyeto.
Yoda Sarvadevo Maya Guruhu. One should know the Acharya as myself and never disrespect him in any way. One should not envy him, thinking him an ordinary man, for he is a representative of all the
Nobody
demigods.
is telling.
The purport?
Huh?
Purport. This is a verse from Srimad Bhagavatam 11:17-27, spoken by Lord Krishna when he was questioned by Uddhava regarding the four social and spiritual orders of the
To
society.
whom telling?
Uddhava.
Ah, Re Baba. Krishna telling to Uddhav. So we cannot deny it.
The Lord was specifically instructing how a brahmachari should behave under the care of a spiritual master. A spiritual master is not an enjoyer of facilities offered by his disciples. He is like a parent. Without the attentive service of his parents, a child cannot grow to manhood. Similarly, without the care of the spiritual master, one cannot rise to the plane of transcendental service. The spiritual master is also called Acharya or a transcendental professor of spiritual science. The Manu Samhita explains the duties of an Acharya, describing that a bona fide spiritual master accepts charge of his disciples, teaches them the Vedic knowledge with all its intricacies, and gives them their second birth. The ceremony performed to initiate a disciple into the study of spiritual science is called Upaniti, or the function that brings one nearer to the spiritual master.
Upanayana. One sacred thread giving Upanayana. Upanayana means each. Upa means Krishna's Samnikat. Near to Krishna. He taking you. Understand? Which ordinary man cannot do it.
One who cannot be brought nearer to a spiritual master cannot have a sacred thread, and thus he is indicated to be a Shudra. The sacred thread on the body of a Brahmana, Kshatriya or a Vaishya is a symbol of initiation by the spiritual master. It is worth nothing if worn merely to boast of high parentage. The duty of the spiritual master is to initiate a disciple with the sacred thread ceremony, and after this samskara or purificatory process, the spiritual master actually begins to teach the disciple about the Vedas.
Now we understand that Guru is not one ordinary person. Na martya buddhya asuyeto. Like me, I am telling he has two arms, I have also two arms. No. If he will touch, Krishna Bhakti will come. If I will touch, Krishna Bhakti will not come. One barber was shaving one person. Tell him, you know. Ask.
Someone shaving someone, barber, shaving, raising him.
One barber was shaving and some sadhus came. So to whom he was shaving, he told, wait. One sadhu came, he bringing one stick. He became one gold. Why he was become, I will tell. Now I finishing that chapter. Yeah. Bhagar was saying me so that one sadhu, he became old. Then many sadhus are staying, Bauddha sadhus, they are staying in our village. I will beat them. He went. He told again, I have come. Oh, I come. No, my father told me that you said and gave tea for eating something. So you are sadhu. My father ordered me in dream. So I have come to, you should come. What it is? All, not one. He told categorically, if one will stay, my father will not take anything. Pitru Sadha I will heard, how I will give? It's not possible, you all should come. Hearing, what telling I am? Huh? Not understanding? I heard. Then what arrangement we will do? Which language both is understanding? We should arrange one. They are not understanding. So, they all come and he gave, he cooked very nice prasad. Brahmana Bhodana Priya. Brahman son. Brahmana Bhodana Priya. When they are eating, one thing brought no more. What was happening? Huh? Then he asked to Bhagar, you eat one goat soup and I eat 20. Bauddha sannyasi, no, nothing, what is this? That person told that you are so foolish, why you have not asked me? That the Jakha, he appeared. If you will keep the gold and other things, that long time it will be one Jakha. So Jakha Rakshasa, Jakha. Jakha means. So he told me that I am your father took many money. So, and gold. And I will come in a sannyasi and you will, if you will beat me, you will get gold. So you, Bauddha sannyasi, bringing and beating. Huh? So Guru will give. Without Guru, how you will chant? Now it is coming. Mahaprabhu, Sri Krishna Bhagavan is telling to Uddhav, You know, in Bhagavatamrita, all Jadavs, Uddhav is greater. Bhagavatamrita, so, Acharya Man Vidanya, you should think, not telling that you should Vidanyat means
Realize.
विशेष रूपे बी उपसर्ग you should know thoroughly. Not only I am telling, you will tell that Acharya is Sakshat Bhagavan. No, you should think. Haribhakti Vilas is telling the Shishya should examine Guru minimum 2 years. And Shishya should examine Gurudev minimum 2 years. Like marriage. The husband and wife, if they will not, and their father, they will not think every side, horoscope and many things, then danger will come. So, Acharya Man Vidaniya, न अवमान्यत करेची. Don't disregard him. Why? No, there is some reason. Martya Buddhi will come. Martya Buddhi means Gurudev is like me. I am a man, he is a man. Then when Martya Buddhi will come, you will think how I will be Guru. Then I will get everything free. That thing will come. Martya Buddhi will come. Understand? So, no Martya Buddhya asuyeta. Asuya means?
Envious.
Envious, envious. Right? Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is giving prasad to Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu is taking. His son-in-law, Amagha, is taking. Yes, sadhu is taking so much. What is sadhu? This is called Martya Buddhi. So, other thing, why? Sarvadeva Maya Guru. What Sarvadeva Maya Guru? Because of where? Gurudev is Sri Krishna. All the demigods, all the incarnations, they are coming from Krishna Bhagavan. So if you worship Gurudev, then all will get puja. Amar bhaktere puja, ama hoite boro. If you worship my devotees, that worship is greater than deity. It's Krishna Prantaram is telling. मोर भक्त ना पूजे आमारे पूजे मात्र से पाषंड कबू नहे आमार प्रिय पात्र. Who is? What is the time now?
9.
9:03. How much time I will tell? Huh? Because now slowly going. Now case should be suspend another date. मोर भक्त ना पूजे आमारे पूजे मात्र से पाषंड कबू नहे आमार प्रिय पात्र. If one is not honoring, worshipping to my devotees, only worshipping me, I cannot like him. Why? ना एक हस्ते विप्रेर चरण प्रखाले आर हस्ते ढीली मारे माथाय कपाले. गुरुदेव कम. You are washing his feet in one hand, other hand like that barber. Deal? Gurudev will please your Gurudev will please? No. You are washing one hand and in this way bricks and everything you are Krishna will be pleased. Similarly, you should worship to Mahaprabhu, Krishna's bhakta. Aham bhakta paradhina. Told to Durvasam. Understand? Durvasam. It has come from Mahadev. And Durvasa Muni is this guru of gopis. So you know the story of Ambarish Maharaj?
Yes.
He has come from Mahadev. And Guru of gopis. Understanding? He, being angry, put on kurtia, going everywhere. You went to Brahma, no, I cannot do. Chakra is coming, I cannot tell you. Then we went to Shiva. No, I cannot tell you. You go to Vishnu. We went to Vishnu. Aham bhakta parade. You have done offense in the feet of bhaktas. So you go. But Ambarisha, who is bhakta, he will not tell, it's an my power is see. Tunadapi sunicheno তরোরিব সহিষ্ণুনা অমানিনা মানবেন কীর্তনীয় সনাতনী। Ambarish Maharaj stayed. What fault I have done? Not eating, he is standing. Durvasa Muni come. Save me, save me, save me. Ambarish Maharaj, save me, I have done more offenses. You should forgive me, forgive me. This is the matter, you should save me. Then when Ambarish Maharaj told, no, it is my fault, not his fault, save him. If you are in Ambarish Maharaj's feet, how great devotee. God will be right now. Hey, you have here. The Durvasa Muni came and how got the punishment. You published in a paper.
Headlines.
Huh? So similarly, Gurudev, you should not think that he is one ordinary person. Why not ordinary person? We will tomorrow discuss. Any question? 5 minutes.
First, you say that you take Maha Mantra from Mahaprabhu, like Mahaprabhu is Guru, no need of other Guru, you just take.
I am not telling no.
Oh, okay.
Mahaprabhu gave because in Kali Yuga you cannot get one Punah. Understand? In this situation, then you cannot chant. Kali Yuga, he has come. When Mahaprabhu came, this is Vishesh Kali Yuga. Which Kali Yuga? Krutanishu pradarajan kalau michanti sambhava. Satya Treta, the man of Satya Treta, Dwapar, they are wanting how they will come this Kali Yuga. Why? One special village staying. When the summer, the cost of the dress and other things decreasing, you are at that time, now decreasing, I will purchase more. Similarly, so when Mahaprabhu came, he gave this thing, no, all should chant. Understand? So, you should chant. If Nam Prabhu will bless you, then you will get bona fide Guru. Understand? If Nam Prabhu will bless you, you may be Kripa Siddha. Siddha is 3 types. Nitya Siddha, Sadhana Siddha, Kripa Siddha. Okay? Finish. Then, you have any question? Zabardast question. 1 hour she is thinking. 1 question will tell. Tell what question?
Prabhu, you say you chant Hare Krishna and everything will come, you say. Yeah?
What?
You said in class, you chant Hare Krishna and everything will come.
Yeah, but how to chant so that everything comes?
Yeah?
How?
How to chant so everything comes?
How?
How chant?
How?
Anyway, no rule. Khaite suite jatha totha namolo নাহি সর্বসিদ্ধি হয়। When you are eating you chant, when you are sleeping you chant, when you are walking you chant. After I told on that day, one was when chanting, he was in toilet. The always chant, Nam is coming. After I will chant. So Mahaprabhu told who will give the answer that he is doing correct or incorrect. Gopal Guru Goswami told, no, it is not correct. Huh? Also what it is? In toilet you will chant. Now I know. You see, when the death will come, at that time, your stool is going. You know, in third canto Bhagavat, how who is the old person in there, he is the one photo is there. You see, today I see, you see, third canto Bhagavat. How the people in old time when going to die, that urine and stool is going. If you will not chant, then Jamu will tell, you will get benefit. No. If you will chant, then Vishnu will take you. Understand? So there is no rule.
Prabhu,
नाम नामकारी बहुधा निज सर्वशक्ति तत्रार्पिता नियमित स्मरणेन काल ये तादृशी तव कृपा भगवन ममापि दुर्दैव मित्रसमिहा जनिनानुराग. You always chant. No kala. Okay?
Prabhu, if no attachment to Krishna, no attachment to Krishna in my heart, and attachment to material things, then
There the mistake. There the puja was white is staying. When Nam is entering, Nam is Krishna. There is no difference. Nam, Vigraha and Krishna Bhagavan. You are thinking Nam is entering, Krishna is in Golaka or in temple. No. When Nam is coming, he is Krishna Swayam is going. Kolikale Nam Rupe Krishna Avatar. Kolikale Krishna Bhagavan is coming in the form of Nam. So, this is Mahaprabhu told. That's why we are Nam-ashray. নামের নিশান ধর নাম বিনা কিছু নাই কো আর 14 ভুবন আছে. ওকে, your question finished. Okay, any question? No, today we will talk because long distance all will go. So we should. Tomorrow we will discuss. That when Guru Tattva I will tell, it will be very clear. Only I am discussing on Nam. Then I am one step coming to Guru. Then we will discuss everything. Everything in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Okay? Vancha kalpatarubhasya upasanupasya
राधे राधे गोविंद Radhe